Ladies and gentlemen, and I am David, the editor at the Berlin Group, and I'm here once again with another fantastic insight. Always getting into in depth, showing you the quick to get outside. What I actually wanted to touch today was really more on how to make more trust monitoring of my client's website. My client's ads, and that has to do with site the quickest way, because obviously you have to sit down here and it was about 78% or something. Don't way possible. Someone might say, oh, David, what about Sitelinks? And so what? So it's Sitelinks help users go deep into your website directly from a Google Ads ad. So, in other words, Sitelinks are like hotkeys from Harry Potter or flu powder, the Harry Potter books. That's what to say. It takes you directly to the center of attraction, or the client's or customer's epicenter for attraction. So here's a small example. Look at the ad that I'm working on now, that I'm going to fix now, and I'm going to do so you guys can follow. What are we trying to advertise here? We're trying to advertise reach out contact information, right? We're trying to say that you can contact us, you can reach us, you can contact us, come to us. So if I go onto their website, this is like entire fix here to find contact. Yeah, that's second click, right? Second click. Then I still have to wait for this to load, and it's a lot of work. And then I just have to go down, information, let's go now, and whatever. But when you see this says, hey, you with one click only, look at the convenience. With one click only, you jump straight to the point. Whether you are providing a service or a product, it's that convenient. So it's imperative that your site link text and your description recommendations reflect the link itself. Otherwise, remember, site links appear beneath the text of your ads, helping customers find what they're looking for on your site with just one click. That's one. Touch that manky old boot, and you'll be teleported to Quidditch tournament. Yeah, so that is fundamental. Now, when you see things like this and this problem pops, that means, well, you won't be able to solve your problem. You won't be able to reach your goal. If you don't be able to reach your goal, then ads won't run. If ads won't run, then you're not going to get leads. You're not going to get leads. You're not going to get sales. Now, these small technical issues, they always seem to appear small, and many times the client doesn't understand this. Well, you're fixing this issue. What does that have to do with anything? Remember the ripple effect. It's a small fix, right? And for example, this one that I fixed only increased 2%. This last one that I only increased 2% of my optimization score. But remember, that being active functions, and because it functions, it gains leads. And because it gains leads, those leads of which are meaningful become clients, and those clients purchase services or products of which generates sales for the company. And it all starts with this small discipline cycle. So let's go about it. Now, how I work, I like fixing things the quickest way possible, because I have so many other responsibilities out here. I'm not going to spend a lot of time manually optimizing. So what's the quickest route? David, very simple. I will select this, come all the way over here, then I'll copy that, and I'll use ChatGPT to fast-pace what I want to do. But remember, prompting is absolutely important. Now, the thing I always say about ChatGPT is that if you are not skill in ChatGPT, you will see ChatGPT as gospel, which it's not. I'll give you a small example here. You have to work with ChatGPT. ChatGPT automatically corrects skills. So I was working with this one here, and then ChatGPT uses the word scan commercial breach. Why scan commercial breach? Why scan in the same place which commercial breach? Which for someone who is skilled in search keywords, in SEO, that doesn't make sense, especially because I know my client, and now I said, why is it there? There was apologize for the confusion. Scan was provided as a synonym for this. I don't want that. So then it had to correct this. No, as cost function. AI is a tool to assist specialized people in their field. It's like a scalpel to a surgeon. Now, let's move on. Without any further ado, let us continue. So, this is my prompt. I know my prompt sounds a lot of grammar. Come here, fix that, and then it's done. Right? It's done. Now, about nope, so I can see what makes sense what we're trying to do, but let's see what the system in practice. Do we have here? What do we have here? Now let's, for example, see that? It's like it says there it is. That's a good sign. Reach us for there's no just always then another description discuss your needs without that. That's the reason why I want to talk about this extension. These are the type of language that you want to use. Now, if you look here, why was this because destination saying one thing and then the advertising is another thing. And finally, I want to grab this help us. Quite a lot.